Hey guys, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. iOS 26 has officially been released. Have you updated yet? As soon as it launched, I immediately updated my iPhone to iOS 26. From my current experience, iOS 26 runs a bit laggy on the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 11. Especially when opening the Settings app, sometimes the screen goes black, and in some cases, the iPhone can even freeze. I also found many users on Reddit reporting similar iOS 26 bugs. In situations like this, I usually recommend restarting your iPhone. Press the volume up, then the volume down, and finally hold the side button. Wait until your iPhone screen goes black and the Apple logo appears, then release it. This way, your iPhone will reboot. It's a good idea to let your iPhone sit for a while and give the system some time to load before using it again. Since iOS 26 introduced the new liquid glass effect, it puts extra strain on older iPhones. This often leads to more frequent lag during everyday use. And keep in mind, Apple Intelligence is only available on iPhone 15 Pro and newer models. So, if you're using an iPhone 15 or anything older, I recommend downgrading back to iOS 18. Without Apple Intelligence and liquid glass, your device will run much smoother. Here, I'll show you a simple downgrade method. Downgrade to iOS 18 using Reiboot without losing data. You can find the download link in the video description. Launch Reiboot, and you'll see the iOS upgrade/downgrade option along with data backup and restore tools. Connect your iPhone to your computer. First, you'll need to back up your iPhone data. This process may take a while, so please be patient. During the backup, you'll need to enter your iPhone passcode to verify. Once the backup is complete, you can start the downgrade. Go back to the Reiboot homepage and select the iOS upgrade/downgrade option. Choose the iOS version you want to downgrade to, then click Download to get the firmware. Once the firmware is downloaded, click Initiating Downgrade. Your iPhone will start resetting and downgrading. This process usually takes around 10 minutes. Alright, the downgrade is complete. Your iPhone is now running iOS 18. Next, set up your iPhone until you reach the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen. At this point, you can go back to Reiboot and start restoring your data. Select the backup you just created and click Restore to Device. Now, just wait for the data restore to finish. Once your iPhone restarts, the downgrade is fully complete. If you're using an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, I suggest waiting for Apple to release the smaller iOS 26 updates. If a large number of users are experiencing lag, Apple will likely push out a bug fix quickly, possibly in iOS 26.1. And that's it for today's video on iOS 26 bugs and how to downgrade. Is your device experiencing the same issues? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To stay updated on the latest iOS news, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll continue bringing you the newest Apple updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.